Welcome to Slide Egg. Let me show you how to add animations to charts in PowerPoint. First, open your PowerPoint presentation. Go to the Insert tab, click on Chart, and select the chart type you want to use. Once you've made your choice, click OK. Adjust the chart size to fit your slide. Now, select the chart and head over to the Animations tab. Choose the Fade animation from the options. To fine-tune it, open the animation pane, set the duration to 0.75 seconds, and play the animation to see how it looks. Let's customize the animation further. In the animation pane, double-click on the animation to bring up the settings panel. Find the chart animation options. Under Group Chart, you'll see different ways to animate your chart. For instance, if you choose by category, the chart will animate one category at a time. To make it even better, uncheck the option that says Start Animation by drawing the chart background. Once you do that and click OK, you'll see the chart animating in order, Category 1, then Category 2, and so on. Now, let's try something different. Go back to the chart animation options and select by series. When you click OK, the chart will animate by series. First, all the data in Series 1 will animate, then Series 2, and so on. Want to make it even more detailed? Select by element in Series this time. Click OK, and you'll notice that each data point in Series 1 animates one by one, followed by each point in Series 2. You can also animate by element in category. Just go back to the options, select it, and click OK. Now, the data points in Category 1 will animate one at a time, followed by the points in Category 2. And that's it. With just a few steps, you can create dynamic animations for your charts in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.